Good day. My name is Sunday Akade. I'm here to tell us some other things that we need to do after we have registered our business or company with Corporate Affairs Commission. That is, what next after registering with CAC? The first thing is that you have to get your TIN, that is tax identification number. If you register your company, the TIN will come with the certificate. Now, that certificate cannot be used until you validate it on Tax Promas, Federal Inland Revenue Service Tax Promas platform. So, when you register your company and you are given a TIN, ensure you validate it on Tax Promas. That is when even the bank can accept it from you. So you have to register. It's like you are registering your company with a Federal Inland Revenue, which is very important for VAT purpose on monthly basis, and for annual returns, your company income tax payments, and audited financial reports. That's number one. Number two is that, of course, I've said that you have to register for VAT with the Federal Inland Revenue. Then you go and open a corporate account, be it business name or company. One of the essence of registering with CAC is to open a corporate account with that name that you have registered, so that you separate your business accounts or company accounts with your personal accounts. If you have been, combine your personal accounts with business accounts, especially from next year, you have to separate them. It is very important. So you open a corporate account, especially if it is a company. It's also important for business name, for accountability. It's very important. After that, you have to ensure proper record. And you ensure proper record, ensure that you don't really pay by cash. Let most of your transactions go through your bank accounts. And if at all you are paying by cash or doing anything by cash, let there be proper documentation. In this case now, if you cannot handle it by yourself, you can get freelance, or you can outsource the service to accounting firm, so they will help you put your record in order. It is very important. So also engage tax and accounting professional for your tax processing, for tax filing. It's also very important, because this thing can get complicated and you don't know how to handle it. So even the tax practitioner will advise you ahead to be proactive in handling your tax issue before any problem will arise. So it is very important to do that. Another thing is that CAC is one of the regulatory bodies, but it's not only the CAC. There are certain companies or business that also has to register with other regulatory bodies. Like there are some companies that they have to register with CBN, Central Bank of Nigeria. There are some companies that they have to register with EFCC. Some we have to register with NAFDAC. So all these, some we have to register with the Ministry of Finance. So if you just register with CAC and you don't do other registration, your registration is not complete. It's just that before you can register with all these other regulatory body, you must first of all register with CAC. because all of them will request for CAC certificate before they can register you. That is that. Then there are certain licenses that you have to get before you can begin to operate. So the fact that you have registered with CAC does not mean you must not get license for your business if your business or your company requires such. If you are into finance now, you have to get license from CBN, or if it is a lower level of money lending, you have to get license from your state governments. It's very important. So some will get, if you involve in exportation, you have to get exporting license before you can export your processed goods or anything you want to export. So it is very, very important. So, and ensure that you are doing your annual returns with CAC to avoid paying penalty. The amount to pay for annual returns is not much, but when you leave it without pay, I tell you, the amount you pay and the fine will be so huge. It becomes a huge amount. So ensure you are paying annual returns for CAC. Don't just register and forget about it. You have to be making annual returns to CAC. This one will make CAC to believe that your business is active, that your business is still operating. I believe this information is so is very, very helpful to you. If it is so, like it, comment and share with others. Have a wonderful day.